Today we'll be looking at how to use Adobe Audition. Here is where you will put all your files. Down here this will show any effects you have, and over here is where you will see the waveform. To start with, you need to input your files. So come up to here, right click, click import, and then select where you have saved your files. I'm just putting in a couple of sounds. These now appear here, and as you can see now you get a waveform over here, and you can click on each one to see each individual file. First thing you'll notice is there are different heights, which means there will be different volumes. So what you need to do is to normalize these. The easiest way is to click on the file, then go up to favorites, normalize minus 0.1 decibel, click on that, and that will change that. Do that for all of the files. So favorites, normalize to 0.1 dB, and again for that one there. Now you've done that, you can start combining them. To combine them, you need to go to multi-track at the top here. So click on multi-track. You can give it a name if you want. I don't tend to bother. Click OK, and you now get a completely different screen. What you then need to do is to drag your clips onto a timeline over here. First one, the second one, and then the third one there. So we have 3 different clips on there. They all show in different colours to help you find them. The other thing you've got on here is a mixer, so you can mix in live play the different sound levels. If you don't see this one directly here, it will be on here, and you'll need to just drag it across to the right hand side of the screen. If we now click play,
Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
obviously not very good like this, so you need to put some up and some down. You can obviously move them around as well, and to put them up, if we play it live,
Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem. With growing confidence and growing strength in the air.
James Bond.
so you can play around with that as much as you like. The other things you can do is you can cut clips, so if you wanted to repeat a bit or just get rid of some of it, using the eraser at the top, you can click on here and then click select, and we'll perhaps delete that section there. You can also, if you want, right click, copy and paste, so you can get duplicate clips on there as well. If the screen doesn't look like this, or you do something and close something down, you can always go back up to Window at the top, and then Workspace, and go back to default Workspace, and that will put you back to where you were. When you want to export, you will need to go to File, Export, Multi-Track Mixdown, and the entire session. Make sure you're saving it to your hard drive. MP3 is better than WAV, although WAV is better quality. MP3 will be a smaller file size for you to put up to Wix, and then give it a name and then click OK. This will now be exported, and you can now play it and upload it to Wix. And that's a basic introduction to Adobe Audition.